Art is never finished, only abandoned. Time stays long enough for anyone who will use it. Learning never exhausts the mind. Leonardo da Vinci was an Italian artist known for his world-famous painting of Mona Lisa. Listen to these wonderful quotes from Leonardo da Vinci. A beautiful body perishes, but a work of art dies not. It is easier to contend with evil at the first than at the last. To be a winner, you must want to win but must know of the chance of losing and must not fear of it. Nothing strengthens authority so much as silence. The greatest deception men suffer is from their own opinions. The function of muscle is to pull and not to push, except in the case of the genitals and the tongue. Marriage is like putting your hand into a bag of snakes in the hope of pulling out an eel. All our knowledge has its origins in our perceptions. Nothing can be loved or hated unless it is first understood. Nature is the source of all true knowledge. She has her own logic, her own laws. She has no effect without cause, nor invention without necessity. The deeper the feeling, the greater the pain. A clever man without wisdom is like a beautiful flower without fragrance. I hope you liked these quotes from Leonardo da Vinci. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.